HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard markup language used for creating and structuring web pages on the Internet. It provides a set of tags or elements that define the structure, content, and presentation of web documents. HTML is the backbone of the World Wide Web, allowing for the creation of interactive and dynamic web pages. The basic building blocks of HTML are tags, which are enclosed in angle brackets. These tags are used to mark up different parts of a web page, such as headings, paragraphs, images, links, and more. Tags are typically written in pairs, with an opening tag and a closing tag, encompassing the content they affect. HTML documents are structured using a hierarchical format. The root element of an HTML document is the tag, which contains two main sections, the and the. The section contains metadata about the web page, such as the page title, character encoding, CSS style sheets, and more. The actual content of the web page is placed within the section. Within the section, various HTML tags can be used to structure the content. For instance, two tags denote headings of different levels, tags represent paragraphs, tags insert images, tags create links, and so on. Additionally, CSS, cascading style sheets, can be used to control the presentation and layout of HTML elements. HTML is a versatile language that allows web developers to create web pages with rich multimedia content, interactivity, and accessibility. It serves as the foundation for incorporating other web technologies like CSS and JavaScript to enhance the functionality and user experience of web pages. It's worth noting that HTML has evolved over time, and different versions have been released. The latest major version as of my knowledge cut off in September 2021 is HTML5, which introduced new features and improvements to support modern web development practices. Overall, HTML is essential for creating and structuring web pages, enabling the presentation of content and facilitating the seamless navigation and interaction between users and websites. Thanks for watching.